Alright, so today was one big shit show. Let's see here. First off, my overnight trades were IMG and IPI. Um, IPI screwed this one up big time. Um, Held it over the weekend. Had a nice morning panic. I was short from 220. This one's not very volatile. Held it over. I was being greedy. I wanted to see it come down to the I wanted to see it come all the way down here. I thought it was going to. I didn't think it would bounce. Anyway, so it bounced off of here, and I should have just took profits here, and you know, easy $100, and didn't take it. So that was a fail. Didn't take profits. Not good. So it bounced, and then right up here, I got impatient with it, and I really didn't think it was going to get through this 220 levels. There's a lot of resistance in this 220, but I got impatient because I saw a better play with BCEI. So I got out for break even. So that was a waste right there. So that was a fuck up of the day. Pre-market actually I traded, which I don't like trading pre-market. But I managed to screw this one up too. So this one was a big spiker on Friday. It held its gains, so I was a believer that it was going to continue to run. Let me get rid of So right here you can see we're at pre-market early. I was up super early. It was breaking out, but as I've known in the past, pre-market breakouts don't mean shit. And you can see my dumbass bought up here at $4.40. So then I went and worked out this morning, and then whenever I got back from my workout, I wasn't watching it, and look what it does. I come back to my workout, and it is, let's go to today. It comes down here, and it's down here. So the market opens, it's choppy. I missed this. I'm thinking, oh, okay, cool. So then it comes down here. And then I would have actually held it because I kind of believed it was going to get back to the high of day. But I saw BCI. And so I got out of 397 and I took about $140 loss. I had a small position on it. I think I had small position on it. Yeah, about a half a position what I normally take because I don't like going long very much, but I'm experimenting and failing. So that is ZFGN. BCI, so this is the one that I was dropping other plays for. This one actually, if I would have had full buying power, full power, I would have shorted everything in my accounts on this one. This one right here, 4 big green days, hits this previous high, gets stuffed, and for me that's an A+ setup right there. That's just money waiting. I was asleep. I was taking a nap during this. Now this morning I shorted the original run up at 199. That's whenever I got out of that ZFGN premature, and so I shorted it. I fell asleep, and then it takes off even more. I wake up, and it's over here. It's over here. It's coming down actually. When I woke up, right here, it's coming down, and so I didn't really want to chase it, and then it bounced, and when it bounced, I got in like 217, I think it was 217. I got in right here, so I was kind of late to the party, but I knew this was a good risk reward trade. I didn't see this one really going up, so I'm still got this position at 199. I covered down here at 203. So I made back some of what I lost on. And the last one that I really screwed up, I screwed this one up multiple different ways. IMGN. Screwed this one up so bad. So I was short this one over the weekend. I was already kind of insecure about this short because Tim was talking shit to me about what a bad short it was in the webinar on Friday, so I was already insecure. And then, of course, it spikes up, and as soon as it spikes, I panic, and I cover my position up here in the 260s, 266, and then a minute later it drops, which sucks. So, yeah, that really sucks. It drops, comes down here, and then I get pissed off and I have a vengeance trade, and whenever it spikes up and it can't get there, I short right here at I think it was at 256 right here. I shorted 256. So, and then I held it all day long. So I think that we'll probably get we'll get a panic tomorrow. I think it seems like the markets are kind of hurting. That'd be nice for it to come back down here to 233. I'd like to cover down there. So, but if I got to cover down here at 240, I will. Anyways, so yeah, I covered my positions here, took losses, and then reshorted. So yeah, today I lost on IMGN. I lost commissions on IPI. I lost on my long on ZFGN. But I made a little bit of money on BCEI. See if I missed anything. Nope, that is everything. So you think recap on things that I could have done better. My entries were terrible. Still wasn't patient. Like BCEI, wasn't patient. Should have waited. Should have let it consolidate. It's holding near its highs. I shouldn't have shorted. I should have waited for this, and then should have waited for the price that I wanted. So impatient on my entry again. So impatient on my entry, but good on my exit. Got a good exit there. IPI, something I've been better at, but I didn't. I didn't take profits. Got to take profits. Got to take profits. Whenever it hits a key support level, why wait? Take the money. I mean, if you want, you can reshort it here. Z and ZFGN. What I did wrong with this one is, well, I should have never have bought this breakout pre-market, because pre-market breakouts don't mean shit. What I did right is I didn't panic. I knew it was going to come back. I felt like it was going to come back, and but I just didn't have the patience to hold. So, but the good thing is I didn't freak out and I didn't panic, and that was because I took a small position. So it's good that I took a small position. So positives, I would say my positives, I didn't panic on this one. I did panic a little bit on the IMGN, but that's okay. Overall, nothing life-changing. Lost 300 bucks on the day. Still doing pretty good. Just had one bad day. So, anyways, that is a recap on Monday, January 9th. And my dog is barking and wants in right now. So, happy trading.